Don't miss any part and enjoy.
Before continuing with the video, let me just clear few of the things with you. I will vlog the way I will be able to get to vlog because I really want to keep privacy. So I won't record everything. I will just record few of the stuff and tell you in general. I won't also take anyone's name because of privacy. I hope so you joined Puriver's family by now by subscribing. Okay, so guys, let's do unboxing of my new lunch box. I know it might be weird for some students because most of them usually eat from canteen, but I'm the one who usually like to eat homemade food. So let's begin with the ASMR.
Please spare me guys for my reaction. I know I was really surprised to see it came real nice. It's like exactly the same one like जो मैं use कर रही थी during my school days.
This time I literally bought the same color tiffin because I really liked it. तो मैंने सेम वाला वापस मंगवाया है.
I didn't wear any makeup today because as you know guys, the heat waves are getting worse day by day. The environment was beautiful and it was really clear. I just recorded a little. So पहले मैंने यूनिफॉर्म लिया and after that I went to purchase few other things. I just wanted to buy tissues, so I just bought this one और थोड़े wet tissues भी लाए मैंने. While recording all this, I was seriously not well. For our first day of college, they started it at 9, so मैं 8 बजे गई. And this is how I'm looking while coming back. I thought to put ponytail today, but मैंने सोचा कि नहीं because it is really hot here, so it is better to put a braid. First thing I do after coming back is to remove all the stuff. मैंने tissues निकाले because I just wanted to clean my bag today. And I just took one book for today because it was the first day, तो मुझे पता ही था ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं देंगे आज. And meet my new cat guys, his name is Claw. He was born in April, so he is almost like 2 months old by now. And now let's hear out what exactly happened today.
So now I am finally back to home after the most exhausting day after my college. It was my first day today. One disadvantage of my health is I got very mild cold. So I'm not even able to talk properly. तो मैं आज लाइक ज़्यादा किसी से बात कर ही नहीं पाई. वॉज द ओरिएंटेशन डे, सो हैज़ यू नो दे विल टेल अबाउट द कॉलेज एंड ऑल. तो उन्होंने वैसा ही किया. दे टोल्ड अबाउट कॉलेज करिकुलम, ये सब कुछ, हाउ द स्टडी गोज सेमेस्टर वाइज एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. In the morning I had decided to record while going and all, but I don't know how it took me so long to get ready. Like ये पहला दिन था मेरा and I was going so chill at the start. मुझे like पहले से ही थोड़ी जल्दी करनी चाहिए, but I was waiting till the last moment so that I can hurry up. Like seriously, because at the start में like जल्दी उठ गई थी. I brushed my teeth slowly, then just washed my face. मैं थोड़ा फ़ोन यूज़ कर रही थी. ये सब चीज़ों में like टाइम चला ही गया and then I really didn't get time to record. उसके बाद I went, my father dropped me today to the college क्योंकि first day था. So then I reached to the college and then we got the orientation program. And I'm maintaining privacy, but I'm telling you कि after orientation we also got allotted to our classrooms. So for first year BCom students like us, there were so many students. तो हमें like classes like batches में होते हैं ना, एक class दो class. So they literally did that by the alphabetic order, I think so. And I am really sad because there are no like such of people who were at the high school as my friend here right now. Most of them are in the same college but not in the same classroom. So I'm just sad about it. I don't think so that they will be changing the classrooms and they will change the students from one class to another. मुझे नहीं लगता ये सब कुछ अभी करेंगे because they already allotted the classrooms and all, and they are literally focusing on timetable and other things. So I don't think so it will happen. Now I have to make new friends. Overall it was like a well day. Only problem था because I got cold, so I was feeling little bit odd and थोड़ा सा मेरा सर भी दुख रहा था in between, but somehow I managed. I was like no, first day है थोड़ा सा. Okay, so the next problem is about traveling because it's more than 10 kilometers from our house. I can tell you, like, I can't tell you the exact spot or where it is, but I can just tell you how far it is. So it's about 10 kilometers, so you can imagine it is like really far. And now I'm understanding that I really have to get quick with it because मैं जब कॉलेज से आऊँगी I have to make videos and new blogs now. Finally it's getting started and I'm really excited. So now let's see how the first week of college will go. I know guys and I'm really sorry because मुझे पता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा short video बन गया. I really wanted to make it long but it's okay because for my next vlog which is 1 week ka I will make it more than 10 minutes one. It's really hot here because it's not raining. It's almost June and अभी आने वाला है but still it's not raining. It's too hot. It's literally like May month. So today हमें बस एक टीचर आई थी and she just told everything about semester and all. So वो ही मैंने अभी लिखा है and that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and join Purigo's family so that you can stay tuned and watch the next videos too. And don't forget to comment down below and tell me in which grade are you studying right now. Okay, so bye.